Here's how to install a Rain-X Longitude wiper blade on a large pin arm. Locate the small connector and rotate up. Continue to rotate until the connector comes off. Once you've removed the connector, flip it over and reinstall on the middle post. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Locate the small connector and flip down to the open position. Insert the large pin into the larger of the two holes, pushing all the way through. Press the connector down until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Longitude.